everyone, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're well and fine on this beautiful January day. Today's video is an unboxing, and these are ones that I have purchased from Temu, and I'm quite excited about these ones because they are the new style of diamond painting, and they are called pearl diamond paintings, and I've seen them advertised a few times on places like Facebook and TikTok, and basically they're just pearl diamonds on the canvas. They're special shapes and they are just white pearls, most of them. So let's get started. As usual, I will let you know at the end of the video what I paid. This is part one as well because I have got some others as well, but I've run out of time this evening, unfortunately, because, well, the evening just got away with me. I meant to start a lot sooner, but such is life. But if you haven't done so already and you like my content, then please do consider liking and subscribing. Yes. So this one is a 30 by 40, and as you can see, it's of the Eiffel Tower in France. There we go. So standard toolkit comes with it, your green boat, your pink wax and your pink single placer pen. Okay, and literally it's all white pearls, as you can see. Beautiful. And we've got different sizes going on there. Well, actually, I think there is some rhinestones in there as well. We'll have a look in a minute. So it's only a partial. 5 colours. We have the crystal codes, and I'll put a picture on the screen for you now so you can see roughly what it looks like when completed. So the background is predominantly purple, and it is just sticky where it needs to be. Although, if I'm honest, the glue is not the greatest, but it should be fine. If I go into any problems with this one, I'll just stick my B7000 on it. So there we go. It's sort of giving like New Year's Eve vibes, isn't it? With the fireworks in the background. Lovely. So as you can see, it's just quite a plain image, but once we get those pearls on there, it's going to really pop it out for us. So it'll be like a 5D image. There we go, nice clear drill area. This is, as I said, the new style of diamond paintings that is coming out now, and I have seen some companies actually selling them already on the backing canvas. So obviously, if you're going to go and buy one already on a canvas, on a backing canvas, on the wooden surround one, it would obviously cost a lot more than buying it just on the canvas from Temu. Yes. So let's have a look at these pearls. So it is still classed as diamond painting, but it's called pearl diamond painting. So yes, checking the canvas matches up, which it does. Yes. Okay. Oh dear, I don't know what's happened there. It looks a bit dusty in there for sure. Okay, they're definitely going to need a wash. So, as you can see, we have all pearls. So, there we go. 2 bags of like the normal size pearls. Sorry, 3 bags even. There we go. Just put the light on actually so you can see a bit better there. Okay. And we have another size, medium. They're all really dusty actually. And then another size again. And then I have to go on that side, an extra large size there. And then a tiny little bit of lilac rhinestone. So 6 colours in total. And the symbols are all numerical. So that's my first one that I want to show you tonight. There we go. Let's see if I can just move you. I have to turn my light out to zoom you out completely there. So that's the first one. This one I paid, I'm going to try and tell you the price as I go along. Hang on, if I wrote it down somewhere. Okay, so Eiffel Tower, I paid £3.09 for this diamond painting, $4.16. So definitely a bargain because this is a new style, and the cheapest I have seen them going for is like £6-7, sometimes higher on some of these companies. So yes, there we go. So there's that one, beautiful. If I had more time I would try to complete one now so I could show you, but I just don't have the time. It's already coming up to 11 and I want to get this video on. I want to get it on there tonight. So okay, let's move on to the next one now. I will link them down below as well. Oh, no, it's that way. Standard toolkit once again. This one is in the shape of a moon. Yeah, Rio is making noises. So these are all partials, but there is some areas that we're diamond painting. And the picture is like a 5D effect as well. And I always say, just because it's not diamond painted everywhere doesn't mean that you have to just go with where the glue is. You could get some glue and put some extras on there and design it according to what you want on the canvas, because it's your project and you don't have to go by how it's been designed. You can make it your own, do something different with it. There we go. So that's the next image. So a moon with some stars and gorgeous pearls. So yeah, these are not diamond painted, but it's really clever how it pops out at you, I think. This one has 4 colours. Symbols are all numerical. And we have the codes there as well. So nice and clear. Very nice. There we go. So we're predominantly diamond painting the moon. And then some of the edges as well. Shouldn't take long to do. I'm thinking you could get one of these done in an afternoon quite easily, really. Yeah. We're not diamond painting the stars at all. But if you wanted to, you could also get some rhinestones and go to town on there if you wanted to. So let's have a look at the diamonds quickly. So just 4 colours. Okay. So let's turn on our flash again so we can see. So we have the normal size pearls once again. Lovely. We have a medium sized pearl and then a large pearl and then a golden yellow rhinestone, which is obviously going to go around the edges of the moon and around the edges of the picture. Yes, around the corners. So there we go. Let's zoom it back out now. So this little one I paid £4.22, $5.68. There we go. So for a partial it's quite a lot, but for this new style of pearl diamond painting it really isn't in comparison to some of them that I've seen. Right, let me pause you and I'll get the last one out. Right, last one now. This one has quite a few more colours on here. Get it out here. Can't get it out. What stuff is it? There we go. There's the pearl. Oh, we've got some different colour pearls on this one. Can't get the canvas out. Why is it not coming out? Just going to check. Excuse the noise, the background noise, guys. I think the glue may have gone over. Right, we'll put the pearls to one side. That's the toolkit once again. And this one is like a fairy tale castle, a princess's fairy tale castle with a gorgeous pink background. Wow, we got some really large pearls on this one. Yeah, this one's going to look really nice. Lovely. I think we've needed some new diamond painting styles to come out for a while now. It's always good to change things up. Here we go. Glue is just where it needs to be, which is good. 12 colours altogether. And yes, it's really beautiful. I'm just going to turn on the flash so you can see the gorgeous fireworks. Again, it's definitely giving New Year's Eve vibes once again. There we go. And look at this bad boy down here. That's going to be a definite big pearl there, isn't it? Lovely. So let's have a look at these diamonds for sure. Let's put it just there. So we've got some gorgeous pink pearls in the medium size, baby pink. Then a really large pearl there in the sort of like a creamish white. Another creamish white. Lovely. Once again, they are a little dusty, but I mean, that doesn't bother me really. Lovely. There you go. And now the rhinestones. There. That's like a medium rhinestone. A purple rhinestone. And then a hot pink rhinestone there. And last but not least, I've got to show you this one, guys. 2 extra large pearls for the bottom. Yes, beautiful. They could be a pair of earrings, they could. Right, okay, so let me zoom you out once again. Hang on, there we go. So that's all I've got for you today. Oh, I didn't tell you this price. The price for this one, Pink Fairy Tale Castle, is £4.82. $5, no, sorry, $6.49. So, yes, very nice indeed. So, let me know in the comment section if you have heard of these new style diamond paintings. Pearl diamond paintings, they're called. And what you think of my choices. As usual, I chose them and I left them in my cart for a few days, because otherwise I would have had to pay a lot more than what I did. So let me know, guys, what you think, okay? Take care, God bless, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now, guys. Bye.